In the age of AI, GTM, which stands for go to market, is no longer a marketing strategy. It is more of an engineering strategy. Now, what I'm going to show you in this video is the single coolest thing that I have ever built by myself. I built this fully without any devs by myself with initially Claude code and then ChatGPT's Codex. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm blown away by this. I don't think I ever will hire an SDR anymore. So I built this for Kendo. So Kendo is my AI software company. Okay, so we work with sales teams, we train sales reps, we do call review. Our ICP are CROs, VPs of sales, typical position at these enterprise companies. So I had the idea a couple weeks ago. I was like, why don't I just build this? Like, we're so good with AI on the back end of different things we're doing, like writing copy, why don't I just build an AI SDR that works? And I have done that. And so I want to walk you through in this video exactly what I built. Now, this isn't going to be a Claude Code or Codex tutorial. That will come in a different video. However, I think there's a lot of slop right now with people talking about stuff they're doing with AI and they don't really show it. So I want to show you. So for example, you can see here, these are all real leads. Something really cool, for example, like a company that we've already begun speaking with to sell to, like this company, it pulled a lead from them. So I know it works and I can see their LinkedIn, I can see their website, everything. It's very cool. Now, how does this work? It's a combination of pulling from key data sources. And so what I want you guys to think of in this video, really importantly with AI right now, is really how to structure things. Like, you can build whatever, but structuring it is the important part. So there are lead sources that I know of, like Apollo, right? Hunter.io, ZoomInfo. These are just lead databases. It's lead providing services. But there's also things like Apify, right? A-P-I-F-Y. Not sure if I pronounced that correctly. And so what I've done here, just with API keys, obviously an Anthropic key, because we use Claude as the engine for this. I now have these Apify actors is what they're called. So LinkedIn Sales Nav Scraper, LinkedIn Profile Scraper, Crunchbase for tech companies. Different actors here. I have web search, I have web scraping, I have social intelligence, and I have Apify enrichment. So this is the discovery, this is the enrichment of leads, and then this is the pipeline. And we obviously want leads to hit our ICP score, meaning like we're scoring lead value so that we hit the good ones. For us right now, 70. Now, all I do to make this work, and you can see there's a legit pipeline, like a status as well. I go to leads, I click discover leads. And it is going to run, and now it's kicking off in the back end, and I can close this, and it will continue to run. And you can see here in pipeline, it's now started searching Apollo for new leads. And so it will basically, like a really intelligent software, it'll go, okay, which are duplicates, which have we already found, which fit your ICP, which are disqualified, which should we enrich? And so let's say these are discovered here. Let's refresh this, because obviously we just kicked off a new discovery batch. That'll take a minute. Let's go to enriched. So these are 790 real leads within our perfect ICP that I defined from here. So my ICP profile for us, like this is our ICP, right? Titles, seniority, company size minimum, maximum, messaging, whatever. And then what score do we want to minimum have as a threshold? So I'm literally generating real leads with an AI SDR team. This is about 10 people worth of work, I think, as far as like SDRs, real SDRs. And then I can even filter them by which ones are the hottest. How do we know if they're hot? By signal intent. We even have signal intent here. This is under triggers. And so we have like acquired, leadership changes, job posting, and funding rounds. These are all like good signals that boost the score of different leads. And so now I can just look and be like, okay, Mr. Cody Janik, Great America. What is Great America? Custom equipment leasing. Okay, cool. Don't know what this does, but it looks like a lot of our current Kendo customers. What other information do we have here? Here's a recommended angle for outreach, pain signals, ICP scoring, trigger events. Pretty good triggers for me. Looks good. That's probably a good lead. Here's their tech stack. Here's a contact brief. It's the most insane thing that I've ever built in my life. And if you're wondering, does this work? Yeah, it works. We also connected it to our CRM. And so now, obviously, we use Claude CRM. I have all of the custom fields. I don't think there's any sensitive data here, actually. Yeah. Our smart views, recent sync activity. I can now run every lead that we discover. We then enrich the lead. And I can even do this. Watch. If I select every lead we have, I can enrich them all, which means obviously like verify the email, find other emails, whatever. I can validate them, which is test for, is this a spam email or is this a real email for deliverability? I then click expand here on the bottom. Expand will find similar contacts within ICP at that company. So we can get the sales manager, the CRO, the VP, all from one company. Pull all those leads, okay? And then I can click a button and I can sync all of these leads into my CRM in a click. And then, I'm not going to click into my CRM because there is sensitive data in there. My CRM has a set workflow of emails of us just doing sales. And now every time a lead raises their hand from getting hit with an email that they like, one of my sales reps or myself is just going to get it assigned to us in the CRM. We're just going to contact them, book a demo. I'm spending right now on Facebook for Kendo AI like $500 to book a quality demo, which is really expensive. It's been kind of a mess this year. This has cost me, which by the way, it tracks cost. So I spent $200 in Claude tokens, Apollo credits, and Serper queries. $200 because I built the system myself. I'm not paying Apollo. I'm not paying Clay. I'm not paying all these tools. I'm paying myself because we built this from scratch by my damn self. And so now we've generated, I want to give you an example here, okay? Our average contract value at minimum is $2,000, probably $10K a year is what I would say. Two grand up front. 1,300 leads for $200. And these are good leads, by the way. I know some of these companies, and I've gone through these. If you do the math, I'm looking at $200 for potentially like $500K, $1 million in enterprise value, depending on if we close any of these big deals. That is the power of AI. That is real use of AI. That's the real stuff that we're doing. And this is a fraction. By the way, we open sourced this software. I basically removed all my API keys and zipped it up, and we gave that to all of our AI Insider students inside of our AI Mastermind. So they have this as well now. But this is something where semi-technical to build, I'll be honest, but like you can figure it out. I did this. We can add team members to this. We can add, if we want to go a step further and send emails from here, we can do custom frameworks built off of the data we're pulling about that lead. And then we can even track replies, which I haven't set this up yet. We can track replies in sequences, but I'm keeping sending of emails from our CRM so we don't burn inboxes and we haven't done all the cold email setup and everything. So guys, listen, I'm going to be honest with you. We made a lot of videos on this channel. And if you're an avid watcher of this channel, this is the single most important thing that you can be doing right now with your time. I don't care if you buy our program. I don't care. This is going to change my business. Okay. This is a real tool that I built internally for Kendo AI sales team to grow the business. We're bootstrapped. We got to compete. We got to be scrappy. This gives me the power of 10 SDRs. SDR's minimum salary is probably $3K a month. That's 30 grand a month in salary that I would have to get the equivalent power of discovery that this software can do for me. Okay. Now these aren't tracking anything. So these are just filler, but the leads are real. They're actually enriched. They're actually scored. They're actually getting pushed to my CRM. And then we just got to do sales, which obviously we're good at doing. Okay. I'm going to end the video right here. If you want this, you got to book a call. You got to join AI Insiders. I'm not going to give this stuff out for free. So I'm not going to show how we built it. I just want to show the finished product because it's the coolest thing I've ever seen. This is what GTM engineering in 2026 looks like. Now we do other things as well, like with LinkedIn, posting content. I have AI drafting and posting posts on LinkedIn for me automatically. I don't log into LinkedIn anymore. We're also going to feed all of these leads and all of this data, the enriched, like good scored ones. I'm going to feed these to a Facebook custom audience and hit them with ads as well. So you're telling me in the age of AI, you're not going to grow your business and you don't want to do stuff like this? Choice is yours. If you want to do this, book a call. Link is in the description. I'll see you guys on the next video.